It has been a most unusual week. Wildfires threatening Yosemite, scorching heat baking the Pacific
The fingerprint, the
Northwest.
signature that we would expect with global warming due to the increase in greenhouse gases from human activities.
It's now the second largest wildfire in state history. It's already consumed an entire town, yet it's just one of the many fires Americans have faced this year.
Japan's weather agency says there's a risk of tornadoes as winds pick up and the weather gets worse. The heavy rain has caused landslides which have crushed houses. And there's no sign it's about to stop.
Hi, but did you know that 55 million people have suffered from droughts every year? What? Really? Yeah. Whoa, I didn't know about all those stuff. How did you know? Well, I searched them on Google. What is the topic about? Climate change. Wow, that is so interesting and fun. We should do the research together. Sure, let's go. Wait! First, let's introduce ourselves to our friends. Okay, you go. Hi, my name is Thoon Hsu Yati and I'm from Primary 5 Study Forest. Hi, I'm Thoon Hsu Yati and you can call me Jelly and I'm from Primary 5 Study Forest. Now let's start with the video. Bye! Wow, there is so much stuff to learn. Yeah, it's so fun and interesting. I know, right? Should we explain to our friends? Sure. So firstly, let's talk about weather changing. Weather changes from day to day. For example, when you go to school, it might be warm and sunny. But when you come back, it might be very cold and cloudy. Well, that is an example of weather changing. And it changes from day to day, hour to hour, minute to minute, or even second to second. Let's talk about climate change right now. Climate change doesn't change from day to day. It takes hundreds and thousands and even millions of years for climate to change. But however, these days, climate changes very fast. Well, that might not sound like a big problem to you, but if you understand more about it, it is a very big problem. Well, we'll get that into the next part. Climate change is a huge problem. For example, melting glaciers, droughts, storms, and rising sea levels. Climate change will make weather more unpredictable and animals can go into extinction and we'll have less food and more health issues just like animals. Oh yeah, you're right. Those are the effects of the climate change. Now, I'm going to talk about the cause of effect change. Wait, before you do that, I'm going to give you some time so that you can explain it by yourself. Alright, so one of the most important causes of climate change is the greenhouse effect. So, let me tell you the process of the greenhouse effect. So when humans burn fossil fuels, a type of gas is released to the air, and that gas is called carbon dioxide. When it is released to the atmosphere, the earth is covered with an invisible blanket that absorbs all the heat from the sun, which will make the earth more warmer. Since we finished talking about the cause and effect and meaning of climate change, let's talk about how we should fight climate change. Hey, close the water when you're washing your hands with soap. Oh, okay. I didn't know. Alright, make sure you conserve water. Wow, I learned a new lesson. Who do the trash here? It's not really good to do the trash here. Wow, thank you for cleaning up the environment.